Hello, my name is Eric Brooks. I'm a brand specialist with Alpine Electronics, and I'm excited to talk to you today about our Halo enclosures from Alpine. So these are ported boxes, and they take a design cue from our Halo head units, right? So it's got this sleek, nice silver trim here, very modern look and design. So it's really based off of that design cue from the Halo head units. So that's where it all starts. And then from there it goes into the performance aspect of these. So these are ported enclosures. They're designed specifically around the needs of each woofer to perform its best. So these come in S-Series 10-inch, S-Series 12-inch, R-Series 10-inch, and R-Series 12-inch enclosures. So really great sounding. They look really cool, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the expandability of these systems. So when you buy one of these Halo enclosures, we have something called the ProLink system that allows us to expand two boxes together and mount them together. So what that comes with is it comes with a bracket that goes on the back of the enclosure. So it's this metal bracket that kind of locks everything together. There's dowels that go on the side of the enclosure that help line everything up. And then there's a trim piece that goes over the front that tie the ports together to give it a great cosmetic and great stability when they're linked together. So the subwoofers are actually mounted with threaded inserts. So when you link two together, you twist, you unscrew and turn and put the invert the other woofer so that they line up properly in the boxes when they're combined. And what that means is it's very serviceable, right? So with those threaded inserts, if you want to mount the enclosure one way or the other, you simply pull out the woofer, turn it to the direction you want, and then screw it back in without ever harming the wood that it's screwing into. You get a solid connection every time. So that is the quick version of what's going on with these Halo enclosures. And what we've got here right behind me is two Halo enclosures linked together with the ProLink system in our Jeep Wrangler. So we make great products specifically for Jeeps. But if you're looking for more output on the subwoofer side, these work great in Jeeps as well as any universal application that you have the room. So there you go. We have our Halo enclosures from Alpine that just started shipping. If you're interested in more information, visit our website at www.alpine-usa.com. Thanks for listening. We'll talk to you again soon.